Welcome to Health Diagnosis. Today we're talking about a question that many people are curious about. Can a transgender woman give birth to a baby? It's a topic surrounded by science, medicine, and a lot of misunderstanding, so let's look at what's really possible. To understand this, we first need to know how pregnancy happens. In biological females, the uterus or womb is the organ where a fertilized egg develops into a baby. The uterus connects to the ovaries and the fallopian tubes, and the entire reproductive system is supported by specific hormones like estrogen and progesterone. Transgender women are people who were assigned male at birth but identify and live as women. They may undergo hormone therapy, surgeries, or other treatments to align their bodies with their gender identity. However, being able to carry a pregnancy depends on having a functioning uterus, something that people assigned male at birth do not naturally have. Right now, medical science does not provide a safe, established way for transgender women to become pregnant and give birth. However, there have been experimental studies exploring the possibility of uterine transplantation, where a uterus from a donor could be surgically placed in a person who doesn't have one. This technique has already been used successfully for some cisgender women who were born without a uterus or lost it due to medical conditions. The question is whether that same procedure could work for transgender women. Theoretically, it might be possible, but there are major challenges. The male pelvis and body structure are different from those of someone born female. The blood supply to support a transplanted uterus would have to be carefully connected, and the hormonal environment would need to be controlled to mimic the natural female cycle. Even if the uterus were successfully transplanted, a pregnancy would almost certainly need to be delivered by cesarean section because of the narrow male pelvis. There are also ethical and medical safety issues. Uterus transplants are complex surgeries that carry risks such as infection, organ rejection, and complications from long-term immunosuppressive drugs. Doctors and researchers are still studying how to make these procedures safer and more successful. Until more research is done, it remains an experimental concept. Some scientists believe that within a few decades, uterine transplantation in transgender women could become possible. But others caution that the physical and psychological risks must be weighed very carefully. Medicine's first priority is always safety. It's important to remember that many transgender women already become parents through other ways, for example, sperm preservation before gender-affirming surgery, surrogacy, or adoption. Parenthood is about love, care, and commitment, not only about who can physically give birth. At the same time, transgender men and those who were assigned female at birth but identify as male can sometimes give birth if they have not undergone surgeries to remove the uterus or ovaries. So, in today's world, some men are biologically capable of carrying pregnancies, while transgender women are not yet able to, although science continues to explore the possibility. In conclusion, as of now, a transgender woman cannot naturally give birth to a baby, but ongoing advances in reproductive medicine may change what's possible in the future. The topic is a reminder of how complex and fascinating human biology can be, and how science is continuously pushing the boundaries of what we once thought impossible. Thank you for watching Health Diagnosis. If you found this video informative, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more medically accurate explanations about human health and science.